mind. Fair and roll. Hi. Can you tell us about time? Yes, we've got a couple of things. What is renting your time? No, that was a president of campus. We used always. Oh, you what? Oh, Betty. When the plants are on the shadow, we mark it. After a short time, we mark the new shadow. Like a sundial? Exactly, but it's meant to be a 3500 BC. Time is getting on. That's fair. Thanks, love. Where are we? Bucharest in Romania. But where are all the roads? They are there, under the water. Where does the water come from? Global warming. All the ice has melted and this is the result. Why did this happen? Because you didn't act in time. You took too much talking about it and not doing something. But this is our future. Okay, change? Of course he can. He's a time traveler. I'm afraid not. The job is up to you. Us? Well, all of you. Everyone in this room. Time is running out, so you need to act fast. Now we need to go back to the present. Miss Dana will be pleased with it. Till next time.